welcome back. Today's this tutorial, we are going to be talking about the footer tag, and you're going to see what is the use of the footer tag and why should we be using a footer tag. So footer tag is one among the semantic tags, as I mentioned earlier, is also released uh, together with the remaining tags such as the main tag, the article tag, the nav tag, and it's very, very important having a footer in your website. So let me quickly dive into one website and show you what the footer tags look like, or let me say how what they use the footer tag for, and then let me check this out. And after I load, we are going to scroll down to the footer. This is the footer area. Now you can see all these places where we have the about us page, about us, some little bits of explanation, the link to social media icons, quick links, and contact info. We also have some text under here, which are the copyrighted, and then who the let me say the person that developed the website and stuff. So all these things that are at the bottom, you see now I navigate to the very, very old end of this website. That's why it is at the bottom. Yeah, all these can be enclosed. Let me say they are basically enclosed inside a footer. They are all footer of the website, and to put something in there, you definitely want to wrap all the content, all this content, you definitely want to wrap them inside the footer tag because they are all what we call the footer of the particular landing page. So I believe you got some part of the explanation of what the footer tag does. Let's now quickly dive into writing our first one footer tag. So I would like to close this up and then open this browser. Let me just open a new file. Let me open a new folder. And then maybe I probably want to name it footer. This work inside my code editor. Well, I believe for that page is also open, including one along with it. So I need to. All right. So now this is our file, and then let me open my index.html file here. Index.html file. Increase this, and then let me quickly browse out my HTML templates, then footer tag sample example. All right, so now let's say I have a quick H1, say hello world, hello world, and then a paragraph tag that says learning is good probably. So I definitely want to next a footer. I just say footer. You can see this how to write the tag footer. And then it has also opening and closing tag. This is opening tag, this is closing tag. And in here we can nest anything we want there. Let me just quickly nest my p tag that says and copy 2023 and then probably all, all right result. So this probably my footer tag, and I quickly want to open up this inside my browser so you can see how it look like, and you can see my footer here. So all I need here is to do more is to add more styling to it. So it's gonna move to the end of the bottom of the page, or if you have a lot of content there, and it's going to look maybe probably or use the CSS and center this to this center here at the bottom. So this footer tag, you can see all the remaining one, this H1 and this P tag are not nested inside the footer tag. It is only this copyright text that we nest in there, and it actually look good. So if you really enjoyed this video, kindly like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye bye.